everyone. So today we'll be talking about the special kit from SpeechGears. So the one which I'm holding right now is a hard one. So we have two categories in this. One is the hard one and another is the soft one. So in details I will be talking about that also. So you just have to lift it up and that's how we open the box. And this is the beautiful box. So yes, so what you have to do is like you have to just push your thumb, yes, and that is how we open. So this is the special kit, as you can see. Okay, so it has all the tools which we'll be using for our oral cavity, including our cheeks, lips, tongue, jaw, hard palate and everything. So as we know that oral cavity is mainly for our speech clarity, swallowing and feeding. So we'll be discussing about all these tools in details. So as you can see, I am holding 4 different colors of Oro Tube. So we have 4 different Oro Tubes based on the gradedness of it. So we have yellow, red, green and blue. So in the same sequence, we have from the softest one to the hard one. The main difference I'll just tell you in brief. So these 2 categories we have, these are the plain one and this we have the dotted one. So this bumpy one are extra on 2 of the Oro Tube and this is for mainly for the tactile input. Oro Tube is the most used tool we have, which is basically developed for biting and chewing. Okay, we have the stem and we have 2 short processes of Oro Tube. This is how we hold a Oro Tube. And Angel, today we'll be working with Oro Tube. Okay, so can you just open your mouth? Yes, you have to come slightly forward. Good job. Open your mouth. Chew. Close, tight chew. Yes, 1. Open. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8, 9, 10. So we have to work on both the sides, and for how many times, the number of sets, we have to go in a detail. So for that, join our OSIT course.